Pujya Sri Hiteshwarananda Swamiji, Honorable Chief Guest of this valedictory function, Dr. R.B. Patil, Professor of Sociology, MES Degree College, Jawaharlal Goa, the proud alumni of our institution, Convener, Dr. Srimati P.D. Nagarkar Madam, IKC Coordinator, Deputy Coordinator, Organizing Secretaries, delegates, colleagues and friends. As I told you in the inaugural session that this is the first attempt made by our college to organize this one-day multidiscipline online national level seminar. We have been motivated and inspired by many other institutions, and under the initiative of IKAC, the Department of Kannada of our college has organized this multidisciplinary seminar. Friends, we have just now heard the intellectual speech by our proud alumni as the guest for this valedictory function. Just to highlight a few of his ideas, Sir said about the complex issues and challenges created by this COVID-19. As the world was unprepared, this COVID has brought a great shock to all the people around the world. Corona has posed the gigantic challenges. It is not going to end in near future. He has warned. The corona is going to stay here with us for many, many years to come. We have to live with it. It is not going to end soon. We have to find the new ways and means of life to live with this corona-19. All the individuals, community, civil society, organizations and other institutions, they have to jointly try to face the challenges of this COVID-19. As he is a professor of sociology, Dr. R.B. Patil has highlighted some of the social problems. COVID has affected every aspect of society and also the social life. It has not made any distinction between poor and rich, young and old, youth and children. All have become the prey for this. Now, the social change is necessarily to be adopted in order to face the effects of this COVID-19. This COVID-19 particularly has made all of us to know new types of words which we never heard in our last 55 or 56 years of life. Lockdown, none have heard this. Seal down, quarantine, distancing and self-discipline. We have to be thankful to this on one side because it has made us to learn many more things. It has made us to realize how isolation and distancing is difficult. Most of the people want to leave their workplaces as early as possible to go to their homes and stay at home. And now they have realized how difficult it is to stay at home and live in isolation. Sir, Dr. R.B. Patil sir, ನೀವು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಉಪಯುಕ್ತವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಐಸೋಲೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ಸಮಾಜದಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಜನರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಎರಡು ದಿನ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ತಿಂಗಳಾನುಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ವರ್ಷಾನುಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರೋದು ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಕಠಿಣ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಶೋನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ we are all dependent on others and the society. This COVID-19 has created particularly a new kind of challenges, particularly to tell you about the suicides. For want of wines, some of the people lost their lives, they committed suicide. So your speech has been very inspiring, and you have highlighted really the challenges that this COVID-19 has introduced. But at the same time, you have given some of the solutions. Short-term solutions may be there, but they are not going to help for the permanent solution. The long-term measures need to be taken now, which are in the form of vaccine and eradication, improving health sector, revival of economy, and one message you have given, I think, don't ask what the nation has given to you, but ask yourself what you can give to the nation. The one thing we can give to the nation is living a disciplined life and maintaining social distancing. And one more you have highlighted, sir, Gandhian way of life. We have to think of living such a pious life in a new direction, and there is a need for carrying out research for development and immunity development. Yes, action may be one solution, but developing immunity is another solution. Sir, keeping this in mind, we have organized one more national level seminar on coming Saturday, that is on 23rd May, Immunity Development, a battle against COVID-19. So we have given many of the sub-themes and invited the scholars to present the papers for that seminar also. So we take this opportunity to welcome you for that seminar. Then you at the end quoted, every crisis has lessons to teach. In the same way, COVID has taught us many lessons, and we have to take these in good spirit and improve ourselves, our life, and we have to think of standing by the side of our nation to protect our nation and see that among these challenges also our economy develops. So I take this opportunity to thank you again, you being the proud alumni of our institution. We always remain thankful because for every call given to you at all the times you have given your consent and acceptance, you have cooperated a lot with us. For that we always remain thankful, and I remain thankful to all the organizers, my colleagues, and all delegates and participants. With these words, I end my presidential remarks. Thank you very much.